Welcome back to CodeChef. Have you ever needed to clean up user input, fix inconsistent text cases, or break a sentence into separate words for processing? In Java, you can do all of that easily using string manipulation methods like toUpperCase, trim, replace, and split. Think of raw text like a messy stack of letters that just arrived in the mail. Some have extra spaces, some have wrong labels, and some need sorting. Before organizing them, you first trim the edges, capitalize the labels, replace any wrong text, and split them into proper piles. Java's string manipulation methods do exactly the same thing. But for your text, let's define them quickly. The trim method removes spaces at the beginning and end of a string. The toUpperCase or toLowerCase methods convert the text to uniform case. The replace method substitutes one substring with another, and split breaks a string into smaller parts based on a pattern or separator, like a comma or space. Here's an example. Step by step, trim removes extra spaces from both sides. toUpperCase converts everything into uppercase. Replace swaps the word CodeChef back to CodeChef. Finally, split divides the sentence into smaller pieces, hello, and CodeChef. A few quick tips before you start. You can use replaceAll when you want to replace text based on a pattern using regular expressions. Use split with a limit if you only need a few parts instead of all. And you can chain multiple methods like text.trim.replace. All \s plus space to clean up extra spaces in one go. Now it's your turn. Try the CodeChef problem, string transformer. You'll get to clean, replace, and split strings just like we did here. The perfect way to strengthen your understanding. Today, you learned how to clean with trim, convert case with toUpperCase and toLowerCase, replace text using replace and replaceAll, and separate text with split. These are some of the most powerful tools for text processing in Java. Keep practicing, keep coding, and remember, code. Debug, repeat. Build mastery with CodeChef.